Welcome back into Talking Fitchburg. We are switching gears here and talking about the bridge at Verona Road, the Verona Road construction project. And Steve Theisen from the Verona Road project DOT, WisDOT DOT, is joining us via phone. Steve, that's the most butched intro I could do for you. How you doing?
Well, I appreciate it, Jeremy. Thank you very much.
Right after you just got telling me you do anything for me, and now I do that.
Right. Well, I'm the communications manager, so you're the director of Tech TV. So I'll speak as clearly and concisely as possible, and I'll let you handle the rest.
Well, don't worry. I'm being let go after on this title and going to a different job, so no worries.
Oh,
Steve, we got you in here as some big and literally big girders are being put in this week in regards to the bridge at McKee and PD intersection there, Verona Road and County PD intersection, and we wanted to bring you on and talk about what's going on there.
yes. So crews are setting over the span of 4 nights. Last night was the first night. We've got tonight, Wednesday night, and Thursday night, setting 44 girders for the two Verona Road bridges over Highway PD McKee Road. So they set 10 girders last night, and then the remaining 34 will be set tonight, Wednesday night, and Thursday night. So each of those girders are 165 feet long and 6 feet high. So these are massive girders that are being set to carry Verona Road traffic over PD by later this year.
Where are they coming from, Steve? Like, where are these being built and then coming down from?
They are manufactured by County Materials, and they have a plant in Janesville, Wisconsin. So they're being trucked from Janesville. They're fabricated there in Janesville. They're 165 feet long, so they're traveling on the interstate. You'll see these really, really long beams traveling up on the interstate, on the belt line, and then they stage their girders and the equipment and everything starting at Williamsburg Way, and that's why we have the closures each night to allow not only the cranes to pick up those large girders, but also the delivery vehicles and equipment to drop them off.
And Steve, we're looking at some of video shot a little bit earlier this morning. Where are the rest of the girders going? So is it going to be it'll be across both sides of connecting the whole bridge? Is that right?
Right. So there's 11 girders for each what we call span. So you're looking at the abutment, your favorite word.
Abutment.
Looking from the abutment to the bridge pier is one span. So that will have 11 girders, and then from that pier to the other side with the other abutment is 11 girders. So there's 4 different spans, so 11 per each, so 44 girders. So they're worked on the northbound side. They're going to keep working on that side and then switch over to the southbound side and get those girders set. So by Friday morning, all 44 girders are set, and they can start working on the deck and the rebar and the formwork to have the concrete pour here later this month, if not early September.
Wow. I can't believe we're going to get 44 girders on that cross. That is just amazing.
A lot of work, a lot of planning. Certainly, the men and women that are out there day in and day out. We talked about earlier the men and women that work these nighttime hours to set the girders. We have a photo on our Facebook page that shows a couple of the workers standing underneath and directing the crane operators directly where to go. Precision matters when getting this. It has to be on the leveling pad for those girders, and then really making sure that everything's set in place to carry the Verona Road traffic.
Did you say how much those girders weigh, like each one?
I don't have the weight offhand,
Oh,
but
come on,
a lot
Steve.
of many of those girders, I know similar measurements are close to 80,000 pounds. I don't know these specific ones, but similar lengths for other projects I've worked on are between 60 and 80,000 pounds each.
It is amazing. 165 feet, 44 of those dropping in. It's amazing, Steve. And again, we did pull that photo as well from your guys' Facebook page last night, showing one of those being laid. And yet, as you said, precision is everything when it comes to this. And then you guys also being on scene, inspect all of that all at the same time.
Yes, exactly. It's like a tiny anthill. There's a lot of work going on in a small confined area, and everyone does their part to get the job completed.
Finally, if you could just repeat then for the remainder this week for closures, what we have in store.
Yeah, so starting tonight, August 6th, we have closures from 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. So those closures are for PD traffic. Won't be able to make any through movements or left turns from PD onto Verona Road. There's still right turns in and out are allowed at the intersection, but those through movements and left turns are restricted. So that's 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. tonight, Wednesday night, and Thursday night. So by 6 a.m. Friday morning, all girders are set and complete, and we open it up to traffic, and then crews can work on the bridge above.
My goodness. Steve, thank you so much for jumping on board. I know it was a last minute thing. We appreciate it. Great information, and we'll watch for some more photos as you guys continue to move on with laying the girders on the abutments. We appreciate it.
Yes. Thank you very much, Jeremy.
All right. That's Steve Theisen, Wisconsin DOT. He's a man of many, many hats. That's what I like to say. And we appreciate his time as always. And we'll have to book a time with him too. Get it back on and do one of our updates with us in the coming weeks. All right, we're going to take a quick break. More to come on Talking Fitchburg. We'll be right back.